The Indian Constitution, adopted in 1950, is a testament to India's journey towards a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. This intricate document lays the groundwork for a nation built on justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Part 1 and Part 2, encompassing Articles 1 to 11, are of paramount importance as they delineate the very essence of India, its territory and its people. These articles define India as a union of states and establish the framework for citizenship. This essay delves into these fundamental articles, exploring their significance in shaping the Indian nation. This exploration will shed light on the Constitution's role in defining India's territorial integrity and its approach to citizenship in the wake of partition. We will examine how the Constitution empowers Parliament to manage state boundaries while ensuring such actions do not constitute amendments to the Constitution itself. Furthermore, we will analyse the different facets of citizenship as enshrined in the Constitution, from the criteria for citizenship at the time of India's independence to the provisions for those migrating from Pakistan. Finally, we will touch upon the limitations on dual citizenship and Parliament's authority to regulate citizenship laws. Article 1 boldly proclaims India as a union of states. This signifies that India is not a result of an agreement between independent states, nor can any state secede from the Union. The Constitution establishes an indestructible union with a strong centre, while simultaneously recognising the integral role of states. Article 2 empowers Parliament to admit new states into the Union, formed from existing Indian territories or by merging existing states. This article highlights the evolving nature of the Indian Union, capable of accommodating new entities within its framework. Article 3 further empowers Parliament to form new states by separating territories from existing states or by uniting two or more states. It also grants Parliament the power to alter the boundaries and names of existing states. This provision underscores the dynamic nature of India's internal structure, allowing for adjustments based on administrative, linguistic or cultural considerations. However, Article 4 clarifies that any law made by Parliament under Articles 2 and 3 shall not be deemed an amendment of the Constitution. This distinction is crucial as it acknowledges the evolving nature of the Union without requiring a formal amendment to the Constitution every time a state's boundaries or name changes. Article 5 lays down the criteria for citizenship upon the commencement of the Constitution. It granted citizenship to individuals domiciled in India and born in India, or having either parent born in India or residing in India for at least 5 years, preceding the commencement of the Constitution. This provision aimed to provide a clear and inclusive definition of Indian citizenship at the birth of the nation. The emphasis on domicile and birth within Indian territory reflects the traditional understanding of citizenship based on territoriality. Section 4. Navigating Citizenship Post-Partition Articles 6 to 8. Articles 6, 7 and 8 deal with the complex issue of citizenship in the aftermath of partition and the creation of Pakistan. Article 6 grants citizenship to migrants from Pakistan who came to India before July 19, 1948, provided they or their parents or grandparents were born in India. This provision aimed to integrate those who had been displaced due to partition and who wished to make India their home. Article 7 addresses the citizenship of individuals who migrated from India to Pakistan after March 1, 1947, stating they would not be considered Indian citizens. This provision reflects the reality of partition and the creation of two separate nations. Article 8 provides for the citizenship of certain individuals of Indian origin residing outside India. It empowers Parliament to make laws granting citizenship to such individuals. This provision recognises the cultural and historical ties that bind people of Indian origin across the globe and allows for their integration into the Indian citizenry. Section 5. The Evolution of Citizenship, Articles 9 to 11. Article 9 states that individuals who voluntarily acquire citizenship of another country are no longer eligible to be citizens of India. This provision reflects the principle that citizenship entails loyalty to a single nation-state. Article 10, however, assures that every person who is or is deemed to be a citizen of India under the Constitution shall continue to enjoy that status. This provision ensures the continuity of citizenship rights and prevents arbitrary deprivation of citizenship. Finally, Article 11 bestows upon Parliament the power to make any provision regarding the acquisition and termination of citizenship and all other matters related to citizenship. This provision acknowledges the evolving nature of citizenship and empowers Parliament to adapt citizenship laws to changing circumstances. Section 6. Conclusion. A nation defined. Articles 1 to 11 of the Indian Constitution are the bedrock upon which the Indian nation stands. They define the territory of India, establish its federal structure, and lay down the framework for Indian citizenship. These articles reflect the vision of the Constitution makers to create a nation that is unified, yet diverse, strong, yet accommodative. The provisions relating to citizenship in particular highlight India's commitment to inclusivity while acknowledging the complexities arising from partition. As India continues to evolve, these foundational articles will continue to guide its journey as a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic.